Completing the square to solve quadratic equations. One way to solve a quadratic equation is to use completing the square. You can do this when you have an equation that looks like this and you need to solve for x. The first step is to subtract c. So we have ax squared plus bx plus, this is what we're solving for, d equals negative c. D is equal to b over 2 squared. So now we have ax squared plus bx plus b over 2 squared equals negative c plus b over 2 squared. Next, you factor this equation into x plus b over 2 all squared is equal to negative c plus b over 2 squared. And to end the equation, we solve for x. And you're done.
Let's see this thing in action. Now what do we know? We know that a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is also equal to 1. Now we know that d is equal to b halves squared, and we know b, so let's solve for d. d is equal to 4 over 2 squared, which is equal to 4. The first step to solving for x is to subtract the numerical value, which is c, to the other side. So you get x squared plus 4x is equal to negative 1. Now we have to add d to both sides. And since we already know what d is equal to, we can just plug it in. X squared plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 3. Now we have to factor the equation on this side, and that turns out to be x plus 2 squared is equal to 3. Now we solve for x. So we take a square root of both sides, which will give us x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus root 3. And now we minus 2 from both sides to solve for x. And x is equal to plus or minus root 3 minus 2. That's not a 2. Minus 2. There we go. And that is how you solve for x by completing the square.
The end.